It's clear we love cats. Which leads us to the biggest cat question of all.
Do I think cats love us?
Yes.
It's really hard to measure emotions in cats, but I do feel like based on their behavior, based on their relationship, that cats can form such a deep bond with someone that it is akin to love.
猫は飼い主さんのことをすごい愛してます。私の猫たちももちろんやっぱ私のことを愛してくれてると私は信じてます。
It's pretty clear that cats provide emotional support, a feeling of wellness, happiness. You know, this notion that you can come home and have unconditional love from your cat is something that's vital.
With all the devotion of her family, Eddie is perfectly positioned to become the next big superstar. All she needs to do is complete the paper hoop.
Eddie, смотри, что есть. Eddie.
We're only beginning to realize the potential of cats.
私たちが全然知らない猫の世界っていうのはまだまだあって、この先ちょっとずつは解明されていくとは思います。
The more we learn, the more we realize just how deep our connection is.
They feel the love that you've given to them, and they are kind of
What's on my head?
feeding on it. The love is going both ways.
If we can learn how to bring out the best in our felines, they will bring out the best in us.
То есть я вообще свою жизнь не представляю без кошек. Это мои животные, я их очень чувствую и надеюсь, что они меня тоже любят, так же, как и я их.
When everything comes together, the results can be magical.
Look at me, Mommy, I can fly!